Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and I have got a collaboration box between Glossybox and Grazia Beauty. This is what the box looks like. Inside contains 12 luxury beauty products. It has a value of £450 and you can purchase it for £80. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You'll find links to this calendar plus links to Glossybox's subscription, as well as any other limited edition boxes they currently have, so you'll find them all down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and seeing what's inside. You see there's 12 drawers there, and as well as the calendar you've got a little booklet and it details everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along, and it also tells you whether it's full size or a deluxe mini. And the information about this calendar then, it says Christmas has come in and we're celebrating the best way we know how with a new 12 Days of Christmas beauty box which delivers everything you need for the winter season ahead. We've covered all bases, from softening hair masks and glow boosting skincare to makeup favourites from the likes of Fenty, Huda Beauty, Mercier and Milk makeup. So whether you save yours for Christmas countdown, open all at once, we won't judge, or split them into 12 gifts for families and friends, this isn't one to be missed. From Jolie Walker, Grazia's head of beauty. Okay, day number one, we've got a Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow. I'll just take it out with the wrapper. I haven't tried this before. Beautiful packaging. This is Double Plump Latte. So on one side we've got a liquid matte shade, and the other we've got a stunning metallic copper. You see there? I'm not sure for me personally about this particular shade for an eyeshadow, but this one, yeah, definitely. This is a full-size product and it retails for £22. A two-step eye look in a tube. These dual-ended shadows pack a pigment punch. Whether you layer up the velvet matte and intense shimmer shadows together or stick to one, expect blendability and ultra-long wear. There are 3 different shades on offer. Double Pump Latte, which is what this one is, or Cashmere Robe and Penthouse Suite, or Faux Fur and Bamboo Hoops. I'm not sure the other colours, they don't show me on here, but we'll get one of 3 of those in the calendar. So that's day number 1. Day number 2, we've got a product for your hair. This is by Grow Gorgeous. This is Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. Oh, brilliant. Okay. This is for glossy, manageable, healthy looking hair, and there's 200 mils here. I was looking the other day in my stash of hair beauty products and little samples that I've collected for an overnight mask, thinking there's bound to be something here, but I couldn't find anything, so I've obviously used what I've had in the past. So now it's come at perfect timing. I haven't tried this one before, but Grow Gorgeous is a really lovely brand. They do some amazing scalp scrubs. Ooh, oh, look at that. Look. It's the smell of quite a natural smell. There. This is full size and it retails for £25. Recharge your beauty sleep with this shine enhancing overnight hair mask. The hyaluronic acid in the formula helps your hair to retain moisture, and its oat lipid complex shows your scalp some love too, reinforcing its natural protective barrier. Expect softer, smoother lengths and a happy scalp. What's not to love? Is that? Day number 3. We got a full size Sarah Jessica Parker Lovely You perfume, and there's 30 mils here. I've never tried this before. The bottle is beautiful. It's really pretty. So before I spray it, I just want to read more about it. This is a full size and it retails for £25. This soft, clean musk, which features wild freesia, orange flower and pink peony, is the newest addition to the lovely collection and is on the fresh side of floral. On the hunt for a new everyday scent? Look no further. Well, it sounds amazing. It sounds just like the perfumes I go for. And I've been spraying a lot in this room over the last couple of hours. I've been filming, but hopefully I can smell it. Oh, it smells like something else. I can't put my finger on it. Definitely a nice daytime perfume, but it's not one I would gravitate towards, if I'm honest. Not me personally. I'd love to hear what her other perfumes have been like. Please let me know down below if you've ever tried them. Any from the Sarah Jessica Parker range. Yeah, I'd love to know. But yeah, that would make an amazing gift for someone, wouldn't it? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass that on. I'm not going to spray anymore. I'm going to wrap it back up and pass it on. Day number 4. We've got a product by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And this is Glass Balm Universal Lip Luminizer. Got 9 mils there. Wow. I'm normally put off by like shimmery lip glosses, but this one is quite subtle and it's silver, which I prefer. Ones I've tried from other brands, they've been like pearlescent, so lots of different colours, but this would be quite nice actually just dabbed maybe in the middle of like a bright red, for instance, you know, just make it more of a sparkly, glittery lip without going overboard. Yeah, I do really like that. This is full size and it retails for £15. Delivering explosive shine, just one slick swipe of Glass Balm's Diamond Milk gives lips a mirror glaze, while conditioning shea butter keeps dryness at bay. Then there's the peach vanilla scent, which is so Moorish it will have you reapplying on repeat. Oh yeah. Although it's mixed up with the Sarah Jessica Parker perfume, but I can just about smell it. Yeah, it's lovely. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Day number 5. We have got a product by This Works. This is a deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. And there's 100 mils here. Now there's a little bit of black on here, and I just noticed as well there's a little bit black. Can you see my finger? I think it's coming off from the advent calendar. I think so. I'll wait until I finish the video and give it a good old scrub with my hands just to see. But I'm sure it is, because I don't know how else my fingers would be black. This is a full-size product and it doesn't give the retail price. It does on everything else, but it doesn't on here. Consider this multitasking gem your beauty sleep saviour, aiding both a better night's slumber and a brighter morning. A skin-loving super blend of shea butter, camellia and stevia oils nourish and supports your skin, while pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver and chamomile help improve sleep quality. I've already got one of these, so I'm going to be passing this on to my daughter, who loves sleepy things like this. And we both do. We've got pillow sprays, room sprays, body oils, body creams, yeah, anything that has like lavender just to help us like relax when we're in bed. We both love it. So yeah, I'm going to give this to her. Day number 6. We have got a product by Mercier. This is a Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in shade Jolie. It looks like that. Ooh, that looks lovely. Oh, I love a pinky shade. It almost looks like it's got a bit of a shimmer to it as well. Because I'm filming at night with the ring light, it's like quite hard to tell. This is full size and it retails for £25. In soft pink shade Jolie, this modern take on matte lipstick ticks all our boxes. The matte, richly pigmented formula delivers intense and long-lasting colour in a single swipe, while silky conditioners leave lips feeling soft. No, it's not shimmery. It's just the light. So there's that. Day number 7. This is Professional Sebastian Dark Oil. There's 30 mils here, and this is a hair oil. It's a spray. It's a clear. It says dark oil, but it's a clear oil. And you've got a little pump there. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £15.98. Gift hair definition shine and body with this weightless styling oil, which delivers all the benefits of a nourishing hair serum without any residue. That's the clever combo of sandalwood, cedarwood and argan oil at work. Softer lengths this way. So, day number 8. We have got a Probiotic by Doctor's Formula. This is a firming and lifting serum and there's 30 mils there. You see the dark marks from the advent calendar. That's what it looks like there. This is full size and it has a retail value of £89. Complement your go-to skincare routine with a high potency skin booster, targeting fine lines and wrinkles, while active ingredients increase hydration and rebuild the skin's natural defences. This product is ideal in times of dullness, breakouts, irritation and inflammation. Is that? Day number 9. Ooh, I can't open it. My fingers are getting darker. And look. The white products are turning black. With a wipe, it will come off, so it doesn't affect the actual product. But yeah, no, I don't know. We've got a product by Avene, and we've got a Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Éclat. Ooh, this is something new. I've never tried. I've tried a lot of products from Avene, but I've never tried this before. 30 mils. This is full size and it retails for £105. As well as creating a smooth canvas for makeup application, this Luxe Primer also helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. The formula is laced with collagen too, meaning frequent use boosts plumpness and elasticity. Oh, and it's tempers shine. Talk about a box ticker. It's got a primer from Avene. Few more to go. Day number 10. And we have got a product from Vita Liberata. This is a superfine skin polish, moisturising exfoliator tan preparation, and there's 250 mils here. Again, it's a new product for me. I've tried a few Vita Liberata products before. Really lovely tanning, and I love the latte, the wash off cream. Oh, it's beautiful. Never any tan prep products. Yeah, it gently exfoliates, hydrates and conditions skin, creating the perfect smooth, soft and nourished base for tanning. This is full size and it retails for £24. The formula breaks down and removes dead skin cells, leaving your body feeling smooth and nourished. Thank the conditioning blend of beeswax, walnut and sweet almond. So there's that. Day number 11. And we've got a product by Milk Makeup. And this is a Get Set and Refresh Spray. I love a spray. A shot of blue agave extract forms an invisible layer to grip and set makeup all day. That is beautiful. Look at that. This is a Deluxe Mini and it retails for £17. The full size 100 mils retails for £30. As well as upping the staying power of your favourite makeup look, the setting spray forms an invisible shield between your skin and the elements with skincare grade ingredients. Hyaluronic acid boosts your glow, hemp derived cannabis seed extract calms, and aloe vera soothes, an all round skin hero. Hold on, let's try it here first just in case it's a powerful spray. Oh no, it's okay. Yes, nice. We've got a hydro setting spray from Milk. And then last day in the box, day number 12, we've got a full-size Rodial Bee Venom cleansing balm to revitalise and firm. It's 100 mils. Yeah, I'm assuming it's full size. I'm assuming. I'll have a look now. I've tried the Bee Venom serum and that is gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. I haven't tried the cleansing balm before. So what's it say here? Oh, it's just cautions. Do not use if you have an allergy to bee stings. A patch test prior to use is recommended. If signs of irritation occur, discontinue use immediately. Yes, this is full size and it retails for £65. Upon contact with water, this luxurious balm turns into a milky cleanser that swiftly melts away makeup, as well as keeping your complexion soft, supple and bright. Rodial's wonder ingredient Bee Venom works to plump and firm skin. I am so excited to give that a go. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And look, what's going on? It's only this finger. Can you see? It's only this finger. So those are all the products inside this year's Glossybox and Grazia Beauty collaboration advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £80 and it has a value of £450. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know what you think of the advent calendar, if you've bought one for yourself, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.